Got a special one here today, 2001 International 9400i, owned by the California Department of Parks and Recreation. So, zero rust truck, 6NZ Caterpillar, 18-speed transmission, 16,000 front, 46 rears. Double lockers, Hendrickson rubber with a walking beam suspension, new Cooper drive tires, Lowboy ramps, really nice clean interior. Driver's seat has been upgraded. About 282,000 miles. And let's see. 8,300 hours. Go ahead and start it up here. Air blows cold. Engine brake, of course. Heated mirrors. Really special truck.